Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about 1688 Chinese shopping app. If you have been using 1688 Chinese shopping app to source or ship product from China for a very long time, or you are new to 1688 Chinese shopping app, consider to stay tuned to this video and see how to fix the problem of account ban while chatting up with seller on 1688 Chinese shopping app. Recently, someone reached out to me on my WhatsApp and sent me something like this. So which simply means that this account here has been temporarily banned from chatting a supplier on 1688. So if you are the type or you fall in this category, consider to stay tuned to this video and see how to fix this particular problem and continue to chat up with your supplier on 1688 Chinese shopping app without any stress. Let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Taoba or Pinduoduo or Idlefish, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. So with that being said, let's get started. So like I said earlier, someone reached out to me on my WhatsApp right here and sent me this particular screenshot, which simply means that this account has been temporarily banned. Just like what you see right here, good morning, and money, please, I need your help, sir. And they send me this. My account is showing this, sir. I don't know how you can help me out, sir. My account has been banned when I was trying to chat supplier, sir. So this is my response right here, and I will show you all the steps we take in order to restore this account back. And at the end of the day, this person here was able to continue to chat the supplier, just like what you see right here. Good morning, sir. Morning. I'm already chatting with the supplier. Thanks so much, sir. I really appreciate. So let me quickly show you the step we took in order to fix this particular problem of message not being delivered on 1688 Chinese shopping app. So I will start from the top right here. So you can see everything here in my chat box right here. Okay. Now this is how we fix the problem right here. So you can see every step we take right here to take in order to fix the particular problem of message not being delivered. No message not being delivered. And this is the last stage right here. So if you take a look at it right here, these are appealing under the review right here, and then this is the last stage whereby we upload all the file. You can see from stage 1 to 2 and the 3 right here. So these are the 3 stages you need to follow in order to appeal for account ban with the supplier on 1688 Chinese shopping app, just like what you see right here. I'm already chatting with the supplier. Thanks so much, sir. I really appreciate. This is the last message that this person's right here. It's that simple. So basically, this is how you can fix the problem of account ban if you are chatting or while you are chatting with the supplier on 1688. There is no need to be panicked, and there is no need to uninstall or delete your Alipay or your 1688 account that has been linked together. What you need to do is to simply appeal, and your account will be restored back, and you continue to chat with the supplier just like this particular person right here on 1688. It's that simple. If you still have questions for me as far as this particular tutorial is concerned, kindly put your question in the comment section down below. Lastly but not the least, if you still have issue with your 1688 Chinese shopping app, or you want me to procure link on 1688, you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to reach out to me on my WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.